One. 1, 2. Check me out right here, yo.
Yo, the sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together. Better now than never. Business before pleasure. P. Diddy and the fam, who you know do it better. Yeah, right, no matter what, we airtight. So when you hear something, make sure you hear it right. Don't make an ass out of yourself by assuming our music keeps you moving. What are you proving? You know that I'm 2 levels above you, baby. Love me, baby. I'ma make you love me, baby. Talking crazy ain't gonna get you nothing but choke. And that jealousy is only gonna leave you broke. So the only thing left now is God for these cats. And babe, you know you too hard for these cats. I'ma win cause I'm too smart for these cats. While they making up facts, you making up claps.
In the commission, you ask for permission to hit him. He don't like me, him and Wild like he was with him. You heard of us, the murderers, most shady. Been on the low lately, the feds hate me. The sun is they say my killing's too blatant. You hesitating, I'm in your mama crib waiting. Duct taping, your fam, destiny lays in my hands. Gat lays in my waist. Francis, M to the is phenomenal. Gun rest under your vest, body abdominal. Run a few bars so I can buy a few cars. Then I kick a few flows so I can pick a few holes. Excellence is my presence. Never tense, never hesitate. Leave a nigga bit, real quick, real sick. Raw nights, I perform like Mike. Anyone, Tyson, Jordan, Jackson, action, bad guns, ridiculous. And I'm quick to bust if my ends you touch. Kids a girl you touch. In this world I clutch. 2 auto, matos. Used to call me Fatso, now you call me Castro. My rap flows militant, y'all faggots ain't killing shit. Oops, Cristal keep spilling shit. You overdid it, Holmes. You in the danger zone. You shouldn't be alone. Hold hands and say it like me, the most shady. Frankie baby, fantastic, graphic, trying to make dough like Jurassic. Parked in, quick to spark kids who start shit. See me, only me, the underboss of this Holocaust. Truly yours, Frank White. Frank White.
Shit from front to back to my people in the world. Where the fuck you at? Where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Where the fuck my bitches at? Where my bitches is at? We got the real live shit from front to back to my people in the world. Where the fuck you at? Where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Where the fuck my bitches at? Where my bitches is at?
Put your money on the table and get your math on. Break it down, split it up, get your laugh on. See you later, dog, I'ma get my stash on. There's a bag full of money that I get my ass on. I never lose the passion to go platinum. Said I live it up till all the cash gone. Ain't that funny? Only use plastic, crafted to make classics. Hotter than acid, PD. Blowing on your take a CD. The billboard killer, no team killer. The ammo is every channel. We've been hot for a long time, burning like a candle. What you can do is check your distribution. My song bumping Houston like Scarface to Houston. You ain't gotta like me, you just mad cause I tell her how it is and you tell her how it might be.
This shit not tight, brass knuckles and flashlights. The heaters and the 2-seaters with 2 readers. Senoritas, kiss rings when we meet us. B. Diddy run the city, show no pity. I'm the witty one, Frank the crook from the brook. Maddie broke the neck of your coke connect. No respect, squeeze off to all y'all diminish. Shootouts for 20 minutes until we finish. Then it's to the loot, escape in the coupe, break bread with the kiss. Panero, chic loose, Black Rob join the mob. It ain't no replacing him, niggas step up. We just macing them, placing them in funerals. Criminals turn the vows to Brick City. Nobody come off like P. Diddy. Business wise, I play men, hide money on the Iron Cayman. Y'all just betray men, you spray men. Opposition, competition, of the commission.
We got the real live shit from front to back to my niggas in the world. Where the fuck you at? Where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Where the fuck my bitches at? Where my bitches is at? We got the real live shit from front to back to my niggas in the world. Where the fuck you at? Where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Where the fuck my bitches at? Where my bitches is at? We got the real live shit from front to back to my niggas in the world. Where the fuck you at? Where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Where the fuck my bitches
you, man, cause me, I'm gon' do my thing. You know I do my thing. I'ma get my drink on and party like it's okay. Trust me, man, it's okay. Bounce with me in slow-mo. When they hear the kid in the house, they're like, oh no. 50 got them open again. They open again. Got them sipping on that juice and gin. You can find me in the background burning that backwood. Styling, stunting, doing my two-step fronting. Now I'ma tell
That's
you,
it, Nick.
man, told me,
That's what we
homie,
want.
Exclusive parental discretion advised. This is grown folk music. Now blend in with me as I proceed to break it down. It's always off the chain, man, when I'm around. I played the block pumping. It was all for
God
the dough.
damn!
Cause I'm sick with the flow. You know it's so loud. Like wherever I go, I jam pack the show, man, that's for sure. I got the info, you already know. Man, I get it popping in the
That's what we
club.
want.
Everybody show me love, let's go. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Dance with me now, shorty, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing,
Nice
turn the
take,
music
Evan.
up a little bit. Bounce with me now, homie, let's get into it.
Yeah.
Circle, but hurry up, cause I'm thirsty. I need that round in my system. P on my side twisting. In club duvet with a chick that go both ways. Let me see that I get for room for put a drink till the worm is gone. Hit the dance floor like a scene from soap porn. For it pop, make me sign a disclaimer. Try to get me on some pops and tricks of framing. But in any event, he fucking with 50, it makes sense. Sense into them dollars, the hoes wanna holler. But you looking at a nigga that them came from the squalor. Now my buddy's so long, I could pop your collar. Now follow, say nothing, let me see you swallow. In my crib, got the cold air back to the bottle. In the club, feed the liquor of the body started. So much brain getting twisted like potato garden. Let's go.
No, I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, shawty, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, homie, let's get into it.
You already know how I go, I bang, I shine. I play, I stay, I'm going for mine. I'm young, I'm black, I'm rich, yes. I'm ghetto in your motherfucking project steps. I'm cool, I'm calm, you looking real stressed. I'm strapped, I'm on kick, hold your head. I'm known for gat popping. When I got problems, I don't run, I just gun you all up. But we ain't come here to start no drama. We just looking for our future baby mamas. With money, with face, with style and body. I cook, I clean, I swear that mommy. Just as long as you don't go off and tell nobody, I go down low. I'm lying, I'm trying my best to let you know. Sugar pop, get that P, the dot beat, make it easy to get him in the bed sheets.
Funny.
I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, shawty, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, homie, let's get into it.